Solana is one of the most innovative and scalable blockchains out right now, and with the current price of only $33 per token, there is some major potential to see some serious return on your investments. But before we start, 10K Trades is a brand new YouTube channel talking about investing, cryptocurrency, and other blockchain news. So all I'm saying is go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and there will be much more content coming on in the future. Also, I do need to say that this is not financial advice, and you could see the full disclaimer in the description below. Now, let's get into it. Solana has really made its mark onto the crypto scene, and it claims to be the fastest, most secure, and most scalable blockchain in the whole crypto space. And in this video, we're going to compare how this blockchain compares to some of its other competitors, such as Ethereum. Now, for starters, Solana has some deep connections to the heart of Silicon Valley, and some of its team consists of technologists from Apple, Google, Microsoft, Intel, and also Twitter. So now the founder and current CEO of Solana is Anatoly Yakovenko, who was a software engineer at Qualcomm and Dropbox. And he's quoted saying, "When you look at our team, it's not surprising that we're able to build this ridiculously fast blockchain." And we've seen that Solana has done pretty well from its start. Like, if we even look before its launch, they were able to raise $25 million in capital funding. Okay, so now let's get into some of the key aspects that make this blockchain so great. So for starters, let's talk about scalability. And now Solana scales as a layer 1 blockchain at the rate of Moore's law, which states that processing speeds will double every 2 years. And now talking about speed, the blockchain creates a new block every 400 milliseconds, and they have a transaction speed of 50,000 transactions per second. And I mean, this blows every other blockchain out of the water. Just for reference, Bitcoin has a transaction speed of 4.6 transactions per second, and Ethereum has about 30 transactions. So obviously comparing 4.6 or 30 to 50,000 is a huge difference. And now taking a look at the fees, the current rate is $10 per 1 million transactions, which is incredibly low. And now even looking at the Solana website, they have a ticker that shows the average fee that the users have to pay per transaction. And right now it is sitting at around $0.00025 per transaction. And now just looking at this alone, this is great for scalability because it will allow everyday users to be able to use this blockchain at scale. And just to put this price into comparison, if we look at Ethereum, the Ethereum blockchain has an average fee rate of around $2. So obviously $2 to $0.00025, that is a pretty sizable difference. And now this level of speed really should not be looked over, because as we continue to develop Web3, we are seeing that in order for mass adoption of a blockchain to be used at scale, it is necessary that we need to have something as fast and scalable as Solana is. Solana has also attracted many DeFi projects to start building on the blockchain. And just to give you some examples, the widely known trading platform FTX has already partnered with Solana, and they released a project called Serum, which is a decentralized exchange and ecosystem. Also, there are projects such as Audius, which is a community-run streaming platform. And there are many other exciting projects that are getting ready to launch as well. Okay, so now that we've covered all that, now it is time to get into the price predictions. Okay, so now at the time of this recording, we are looking at a current price of $33 per token with a current market cap of around $9 billion. Now, the previous all-time high was $55.91 that was hit back in May of 2021. And now there are many other price predictions of analysts all over the industry, but just to kind of put those into comparison, what people are talking about is they are looking for Solana to get back to that $50 price range by the end of 2021. Then in 2 years after that, by the end of 2023, we are looking to see that the price hits $75 per token. And then more in the long term, looking at the year 2025, we are looking to see Solana surpass that $100 price point. And now, if we're just going to focus on that $100 price point for Solana, which a lot of people are really hoping for this, we would need to have a total market cap of $27 billion. And this would be a 300% return on investments if you invested today and held for the long term. Overall, this blockchain is very innovative and currently has a lot of the aspects that can help this blockchain gain mass adoption across the globe. So Solana is a very exciting project to continue to watch over the next few years. Go ahead and tell us in the comments what you think the future holds for Solana. And now, if this video was helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel, and there will be much more content coming on in the future. See you in the next video.